What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to block malicious IP addresses that are attacking your WordPress site using cPanel. If you're seeing repeated login attempts, suspicious traffic, spam submissions, or unusual server activity, it often comes from a specific IP address or range of IPs. Blocking those IPs at the server level is one of the fastest ways to stop the activity before it reaches WordPress. The good news is cPanel includes a built-in IP blocker tool that makes this quick and easy. And this is another reason why hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting gives you strong control over your site security. With server-level tools like IP blocker included, you can shut down unwanted traffic without installing plugins or editing files. If you're not hosting with us yet, check us out at RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make WordPress management secure and reliable. Now, before we begin, I will mention that this method is especially useful if you already know the IP address that is causing the problems, either from your WordPress security logs, server logs, or repeated login attempts. All right, let's go ahead and move into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to the security section and click on IP blocker. When the IP blocker tool opens, you'll see a field where you can either enter the IP address you want to block. If you have a single IP address, type it exactly as shown in your logs. If the malicious traffic is coming from a range of IPs, you can also block an entire range by entering a partial IP. This is useful when you're seeing repeated attacks from similar IP addresses. Once the IP address or range is entered, click Add. cPanel will immediately apply the rule at the server level. After adding it, you'll see the blocked IP list below. From this point on, any traffic coming from that IP will be denied access to your site entirely. To confirm it's working, you can check your WordPress logs or security plugin alerts. You should see that requests from the blocked IP stop almost instantly. Now, if you ever need to unblock an IP, simply return to the IP blocker tool and remove it from this list. And that's it. You successfully blocked malicious IP addresses from attacking your website using cPanel. This is one of the most effective ways to stop brute force attacks, spam, and abusive traffic before it reaches your WordPress. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you powerful security tools built right into your account. With server-level protection like IP blocking, you can keep your site stable and secure with just a few clicks. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full access to built-in security tools, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step guides just like this one. All right, that wraps it up for me today. I will see you again in the next video.